Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these juicy twists on my natural hair. This style took me about 2 hours, but trust me, it is worth it. So as we can see by this clip, like, my hair is not cutting it. Like, we need to do something with it. So right here, I'm going to be parting my hair into 4 sections to begin detangling it. As you can see, my hair is very dry and tangled, but don't worry, we are going to fix that. I'm going to be taking my spray bottle with water to get my hair as wet as possible. Before I begin to detangle my hair, I am going to split that section in half, so the process of detangling can go way much smoother. I'm beginning to dampen my hair with the spray bottle, and I want it to be soaking wet because my hair only detangles when it is soaking wet. Like, literally it has to be dripping. I'm going to be using my Denman brush that I got from Walgreens to detangle my hair. Ooh, y'all see those curls? For these twists, I'm going to be using the lock method. First, I'm going to be applying my Cantú Leave In Conditioning Repair Cream. So now I'm applying my wild growth hair oil, and I'm coating it from root to end. Make sure you cover those ends. I'm going to be raking the product into my hair to evenly distribute it. I'm applying my Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream, and with this I am being very generous because I want my hair to be nice and moisturized. I'm going to twist that section and begin repeating the same steps to the other section. I'm starting to part the hair to begin twisting. I'm clipping the remaining of the hair away, and I'm going to be applying my Line Xtreme Gel on this section to give my twist a neat and defined look. Now, in order to achieve that juicy look that we're going for, you need to twist loosely. Reason that you're going to be twisting loosely is because when you let go of the twist, you want your hair to bounce up. When I'm getting close to the end, I do not continue to twist. I just coil it around my finger like this. Personally, I do not twist my hair in any particular way. I just grab a section and begin twisting whatever direction my finger goes. That's how the twist is going to end up. So keep that in mind. You do not have to twist in a particular direction. I'm going to be repeating these same steps with each section. Now for the top of my hair, since I have a different curl pattern, I'm going to be applying more gel just to keep my hair intact during the time that I'm going to be wearing this style. When I've completed all my twists, I am going to be using my XtraCare styling mousse. I'm going to be taking more mousse in my hand to scrunch my hair just to give it a little bit more volume. Now for the best part, edges. Like, you have to do your edges. I'm using a toothbrush and some gel to slick them down. Right here my edges are coming out of the twist, so I was having a hard time trying to swoop them super long. They were looking like adult hairs and not baby hairs. Like, see, I was trying to get them back into the twist, girl. I was just having a very hard time. After 2 hours of trying to get my edges to look decent, I finally completed this look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe.